There will be some good points in there. Daniel played pretty solid, I would say, honestly. I was just attacking really well. I think I was putting him under a lot of pressure. And I think I was able to just remain consistent with that pressure a little bit better than I was last time.
I mean, first of all, Randy played amazing. I got really frustrated. I think he did a good job with not really giving me much time and space. Yeah, he played amazing, but I thought my game was good overall. I don't think the score does it
any justice.
the right justice, really. But no, it's definitely a major improvement. I'm seeing in my tennis and my game, and I mean I'm happy with the way I competed for the week. And obviously not the result that I wanted, but I mean I'm proud of the way I competed and fought.